What's up guys, it's Jen and today we're going to be creating easy, effortless glam using some of my favorite products from our C collection. And I'm going to be starting with our C Water Foundation in the shade Fair Neutral. But first I want to let you know that if you pick up a water foundation on tarte.com, you can get a free complexion set worth 35 bucks. And what that includes is you're getting these three bad boys. Look at this. You're getting a travel size Quench Hydrating Primer. I love this primer. It's so lightweight. It gets absorbed into your skin easily. You're getting this really nice sponge that's perfect for applying the water foundation or even your skincare if you want. And then you're also getting a travel size of our 4-in-1 setting mist. And I love this not only for just, freshening up my skin throughout the day because it's travel size and it fits in my bag, but also I like to use this to dampen the sponge because you're also getting those skincare benefits and you're just pressing that in right with your foundation. So you're getting your skincare and your foundation application all in one. I love this primer because it offers so many benefits like antioxidants, pollution protection. It also has amino acids and probiotics in it, so it's really nourishing to your skin. But it's also lightweight, so it gets absorbed and it doesn't leave a sticky film on your face, which I hate. And sometimes when you put on some primers, when you top it with the foundation, it almost peels off. That will never happen with this because it instantly gets absorbed into the skin. It also smells really nice and has a cooling effect, so it's really, really nice. You're gonna love this. Now I'm just applying the water foundation again in that Fair Neutral shade, and I love this because it's so lightweight and it's water-based, so your body recognizes that ingredient and it knows what to do with it. So I just love this. It also has SPF 15 in it, and again, I'm all about lightweight makeup these days. Back in the day, a couple of years ago, I loved a good heavy full coverage foundation application and heavier makeup, but these days I like it more on the natural side. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like more natural everyday makeup that looks like that no makeup, or do you like that full glam makeup? Tell me in the comment section below. I want to know. I want to do a little poll here and see what people prefer. I just noticed how twisted my necklace was and it's driving me crazy. Okay, I think it's better. All right, we're back. All right, now we're gonna move right into eyes. I'm gonna be using a shade from our Foil Finger Paints Shadow Palette Trio. This is the Lunar palette. Look how pretty this is. And we're gonna be using this shade, Moonrise, all over our lid. I love these because you could just swipe them on with your finger and you're out the door. You can use a brush, but this formula was made to be used with your fingers, so I love applying it with that. Just look how pigmented these are. They're also infused with that Rainforest of the Sea complex, just like our water foundation. So it's got antioxidant protection against free radical damage, but it also smooths and softens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now I'm just topping off my lashes with a couple coats of my favorite Light Skimmer Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Nothing gives my lashes the volume and length like this mascara, and it's also nourishing them with good for you ingredients like provitamin B5, olive esters, and rice bran. Now for a lip, I'm applying my favorite Color Splash lipstick in the shade Beach Babe. I love this because it's the perfect nude pink for me. It also has this demi matte finish, leaves them just looking hydrated but mattified slightly. I don't know, I'll show you, you'll see. This has to be, out of all the Tarte lipsticks, my favorite lipstick shade, hands down. Now I'm going to set this whole look and give myself a nice dewy finish using that travel size 4-in-1 setting mist. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, and we are good to go. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And until next time, mwah! Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was just fun, easy, natural glam. I'm loving this. Let me know again if you prefer more natural makeup or more of that heavy Instagram style makeup, full-blown glam. Let me know. Comment section below. All right, guys, love you. Until next time, let me try that again. All right, guys, until next time, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you. I love it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Take care.